Hello children, let's continue the second part of the lesson, our Karnataka. Now let us learn about the natural resources of Bengaluru division. Children, what do you mean by natural resources? Natural resources are the resources obtained from nature. We get some resources from our nature. They are called natural resources. For example, rivers, forests, waterfalls, animals, soil, minerals are the resources provided to us by nature. Bengaluru division has tropical monsoon climate. What type of climate Bengaluru has? Bengaluru has tropical monsoon climate. The climate of all the districts is not similar. Kolar has the hot climate, whereas Shimoga region gets highest rainfall, but Chitradurga receives lowest rainfall. Which district has hot climate? It's Kolar. Which district gets highest rainfall? Shimoga district gets highest rainfall. The remaining districts, Tumkur, Davangere, Ramnagar and Chikkaballapur receive moderate rainfall. Many of the rivers in Bengaluru division originate in the Western Ghats. Some of the important rivers are Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and others. Western Ghats are higher, their height is more. So the rivers which originate here form waterfalls. In the picture, children, you can see the waterfalls created by river Sharavati. In Bengaluru division, many rivers originate in the Western Ghats and they form waterfalls. River Sharavati flows in the western direction. World famous Jog Falls is in Shimoga district. This river Sharavati forms Jog Falls. It is in Shimoga district. Another waterfalls named Mutyalamadu is in Bengaluru district. Two dams are constructed in Shimoga. They are Gajanur and Tunga. Gajanur and Tunga dams are in Shimoga district. This division has numerous tanks. Mysore kings constructed many dams in this division. Vani Vilas Dam is one such irrigation project. This is in Hiriyur Taluka of Chitradurga. Another dam is at Markonahalli of Tumkur district. Many of our rivers have dried out due to environmental pollution, deforestation, uncontrolled urbanization and many other reasons. Many rivers of Bengaluru division have dried up so that there is scarcity of water. Especially during summer, whenever water is needed, these rivers dry up. Why? Because of environmental pollution, deforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? Cutting more and more trees. Because of this, uncontrolled urbanization, towns and cities are growing nowadays because of this, and because of many other reasons, water of rivers is drying. Many rivers of Bengaluru urban district are on the verge of extinction. As a result, severe scarcity of water is there in Bengaluru division. There is an urgent need to protect the water sources like tanks and save underground water. Children, there is scarcity of water, so that it is necessary to protect the sources of water like tanks and other underground water. This division has many mineral deposits. The most productive gold mines of the country are in Karnataka, and Kolar gold mine is famous among all. But the gold deposits of this mine is exhausted. Bengaluru division has many mineral deposits. In Bengaluru division, mineral is available. The most productive gold mines of the country are in our state Karnataka, and Kolar gold mine is famous among all the gold mines. But the gold deposit of this mine is exhausted. What do you mean by exhausted? Exhausted means The gold has become empty now, cannot extract gold from these mines. Iron ore deposits are found in Chitradurga and Tumkur districts. Chitradurga also has copper ore deposits. It is said that mineral necessary for atomic energy production is available in Chitradurga district. Which are the mineral resources available in Bengaluru division? Gold, iron ore, copper ore, etc. Now let's learn about the forests, wild animals and national parks of Bengaluru division. Shivamogga has the dense forest, thick forest cover in Bengaluru division. The forest cover of Bengaluru urban district is the least. There is less forest in Bengaluru urban district, but Shivamogga has the dense, thick forest. The districts of this division have forests ranging from evergreen forest to deciduous forest. What do you mean by evergreen forest? The forest, evergreen forest, looks always evergreen, green. The trees of this forest do not shed their leaves at a time. Deciduous forest. What do you mean by deciduous forest? The trees of deciduous forest shed their leaves at a time. In Bengaluru division, both type of forests, evergreen forest and deciduous forest, is available. The Sahyadri mountain range passes on the border of Shivamogga district. The Sahyadri mountain range, that is the Western Ghat, passes on the borders of Shivamogga district. These forests have bamboo, banyan, tamarind, sandalwood, dindiga, teak, jali, mango and neem trees. Minor forest produce has been the means of livelihood for many people. Many people, especially the tribal people who live near the forest or hilly region, depend on the forest products for their livelihood. The tallest mountain in this division is Rameshwara Gudda in Chitradurga district, which is the tallest mountain of Bengaluru division, that is Rameshwara Gudda. Rameshwara Gudda is in Chitradurga district. Other famous mountains are Kavale Durga, Chandragutti, Kodachadri and Nandidurga. This division has many wild animals. Now let us see which wild animals are found in Bengaluru division. Wild cat, you can see here, wild cat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, we call it as boar, wild pig, deer, bear and wolf are some of the important wild animals found in Bengaluru division. For the protection of the forest and animals, many forest reserves, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been set up. Some of these are Jogimatti Forest Reserve in Chitradurga, Bannerghatta National Park in Bengaluru, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary, Shettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary and Mandagadde Bird Sanctuary in Shivamogga, Kaggaladu Bird Sanctuary in Tumkuru, Ramadevarabetta Vulture Sanctuary in Ramnagar, Jayamangali Black Buck Sanctuary in Tumkur are the important national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of Bengaluru division. Thank you children.